to Easy Toddler Hairstyles. I'm Nova. My mom can show you how to do this hairstyle. Let's get started.
Once you've got the hair prepped, this is truly a 5-minute hairstyle and great for school. We are going to start by parting the hair down the middle from the front of the forehead to the crown. From here, I'm going to create a small square that's about 1 to 2 inches wide by 1 to 2 inches front to back. With this square, I'm going to spray it down with some spray gel, a little bit of water, and then I'm going to secure it at the back corner. I'm just going to mirror this on the other side, so we are going to make a small square on the right side. And then I'm going to secure it in the back corner of the square. From here, we are going to do our back section. So I'm simply going to come back 1 to 2 inches and come from the middle part and go all the way down to her ear. So this part back behind the triangle is kind of going to come around it. And then you'll see me combing it out. Spray gel, water are your friend. And then we're going to repeat this on the other side. Come back a couple inches, go all the way down to the ear, and then take this hair behind the triangle and secure it into an elastic back at the corner. Now, if you're interested in any of the products that you see me using in this video, I will link them down below. The next step is to come back to these 2 front square sections, and we're going to come back about 1 inch and secure them together in an elastic so they're right down the center part. From here, we will split this in half, and I'm going to come back another probably 2 inches and bring the left ponytail and the left split section at an elastic, and then we are going to repeat this again on the other side. So between the parting and the adding and splitting of the elastics, you get a pretty fun style, but it's really minimal and easy to do. From here, I'm just going to comb out this back section, and I'm going to kind of flip this front section up by her forehead for now so that I can put the back section into a ponytail. We're actually going to be doing a cute little messy bun to keep her hair out of her face today. So once I've got her hair in a ponytail, I'm going to bring these 2 sections down and add them into the ponytail. I'll wrap the hair around a couple times, and then we are going to do our messy bun, just bringing the tail around, and then I'm simply going to fan out the hair. Now, no 2 messy bun looks alike. Mine never look the same, but you just kind of fan out the hair, add an elastic, add another elastic if you want. And then I could just use elastics when her hair was shorter, but now that it's longer, I like to add some bobby pins to make it hold in place a little bit longer. I also can control where I am bobby pinning her hair. So once I've got her hair all bobby pinned and got the little messy bun how I like it, you are done with your 5-minute style.
Hope you like my pretty hair. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You see next week. It's another pretty hairstyle. Bye, friends. Bye, friends. What do you have in your hat? My bow? You don't leave my shirt.